What's going on, Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back, more tech and more reviews. And this time we have a premium screen protector for the Galaxy Flip 3. This is from Whitestone. This is the Dome Premium Film. And today we are going to be installing this and talking a little bit about it. So let's check it out. All right, so first things first, in this pack, you're gonna get a main screen protector. You're going to get protectors for the back as well. You're gonna get cleaning and you got a squeegee. So that's all you get. We will not be installing the protector on the back because I plan on putting something else on the back. So stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned off. So main thing I'm worried about is I don't like to put a lot of alcohol and stuff on my screen. So that wipe I'm probably not gonna be using. All this out of the way and we'll keep the squeegee out. But yeah, this is, it just says a screen cleaning cloth, but 9 times out of 10, they probably have alcohol in them. I just would rather clean it off with a dry cloth. And then you can use the dust removers, the dust little sticky things. I just kind of would leave that over there for right now. But please, on their website, it says to use all that stuff. That's just me, that's my personality. So when you take this out, you are going to have front, and these are actually gonna be numbered. So if you notice, this one has a number 1, the one on the back has a number 2, number 3, then a number 4 down on the bottom. What you gotta do first is peel away that number 1. And the good thing about Whitestone is they put these little tabs, so it's gonna allow you to line this stuff up really nicely. So by holding your tab, once you get everything lined up the way you want it, kind of look at it and make sure you got it exactly where you want it. Camera cutout should be hanging out right up at the top. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to pull back and let this come down. As this comes down, you take your squeegee and you basically just push that piece out of the way. If I can get it set up right, it'll just kind of push that piece out of the way, and I don't have it set up right, but there we go. So this little cream-like piece will just come right from under there, and it's gonna adhere right to your screen. Now you may have some air bubbles. You can go back and knock that stuff out a little later on. You're gonna take the top, you're gonna do the same exact thing. You're gonna bring your squeegee and you are going to lift up and let your squeegee do all the work. As you can see, I'm having a hard time, but there we go. Let your squeegee do all the work, and then it's gonna press it all the way out. And then once you get to the end, you kind of just go over it with that squeegee part. Now, perfect time to get any air bubble out that you can, like get it out to the side, from the bottom, from the top, all those different areas. And then once you have this like you want it, let's see, and you just keep going, you get most of the air bubbles out, and normally they'll kind of work themselves out in a day or so if you don't manage to get all of them out. But once you get all that done, all you do is peel off this front protector, and it actually peeled it back off and put some air bubbles back under there. And the thing about these air bubbles is you just kind of got to be patient with them. Like I said, from time to time, these screen protectors will lift in places where they probably shouldn't lift at a certain point in time, and you may have issues. So let's see if we can knock all these out. So we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna clean up, and then we'll come back and we'll do screen testing, we'll do fold testing, all that good stuff. All right, so moment of truth, here we go. It sat for probably about 5 minutes or so. But yeah, that's it. It looks nice, it looks clear. It's not taken away from any of the colors on my screen, on my device. That same premium feel, you get that same ease of use, you get that same range of motion. There are no issues with this screen protector. So this thing is going to cost you about 49 bucks. I think it's a really good buy if you're looking to protect that screen. Now, your phone does come with a screen protector on it, but it's not one that is fingerprint resistant. So just keep that in mind. This one is still super clear, HD clear. It is fingerprint resistant. It does have a few air bubbles from time to time when you put it on, but those small ones normally work themselves out in a couple of days. This is the premium film by Whitestone. This is the Dome premium film made specifically for this device, the Z Flip 3. But I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Hopefully it's been able to help someone out, and hopefully you guys will continue to give me that big thumbs up, and please subscribe. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.